Kasi girl, at the end of the day, kalat mo pa rin yan. Inayusan mo lang para hindi ka halata. Girl, sisterly advice lang. Don't call it truth if it's just your unfiltered toxicity. Hi guys, Clyde here. So let's talk about honest lang o sadyang bastos lang ang bunganga. The so-called blunt culture ko, no? Marami ng mga tao ngayon ang proud na proud magsabi na, "Girl, I'm just being honest." Or, "Girl, I'm just being real." Let us set the record straight. Being honest doesn't mean being righteous. Kadalasan, hindi yan personality trait. Ginagamit yan as a tool. At kung paano mo yan gamitin, doon lumalabas ang tunay mong ugali. Sometimes, hindi yan galing sa place of concern. It's because of your ego or minsan, judgment o kaya naman protection. Kasi, in denial ka sa sarili mong issues. Girl, let us be honest. Is it about them or is it about you? Tanungin mo yung sarili mo. Is the truth you're spitting is really about the other person? Or is it about you needing to feel superior? Yung tipong kahit saglit lang, kahit 1 minute lang, yung feeling mo, mas magaling ka. This often turns into nothing more than a theatrical performance, especially when kung ang intention mo is to shine at the cost of the other person. When we speak about real talks, ano ba yung goal natin? Check your tone, check the timing, especially in social media. Madalas, real talk no? Pero yung totoo, ginagawa mo yon to seek attention at ipakita na ikaw yung tama. Girl, it's giving clout more than care. There is a massive difference between I said that because I have a huge understanding about it versus I said that because gusto ko malaman ng lahat na ako yung tama. At kung dun ka sa pangalawa, that is bluntness with ego. Kaya minsan, kailangan talaga natin magnilay-nilay. If ang mga sinasabi natin is out of concern, almost gusto mo lang talaga marinig yung sarili mong boses to seek attention kasa sa katahimikan ng isa. And it concerns you. And it bothers you. You know what? I think it's time for us to stop romanticizing blunt words from people na may real talk kuno. Kasi girl, at the end of the day, kalat mo pa rin yan. Inayusan mo lang para hindi ka halata. Girl, sisterly advice lang. Don't call it truth if it's just your unfiltered toxicity. That's all for today. Love you guys!